We have enjoyed this interaction more than words can convey. And it is nice that we don't need to depend only upon words to convey it, because this has been a vibrational gathering. Talked about lots of things. We want to leave you with just a handful of things that we want you to take away from this, because we have clearly moved into new places in our understanding of the vibrational beings that you are and the lives that you are creating. We're going to give you the most profound statement that has ever been given in all of humanity, and we want so much for you to take it to heart and live it with everything you've got every day. Chill out. Be easier, be easier, be easier. Give everyone you can the benefit of the doubt, especially you. Look for reasons to feel good, and if you can't find any, take a nap. In other words, don't bang around out there trying to sort out manifestations and try to make any sense of them. Because manifestations are only the byproduct of what's going on vibrationally, and once it's manifested, leave it alone. Get on to tending to your grid. Look forward into what's going to manifest next. Do you get it that you are vibrational beings? And do you believe that there is a vibrational reality that you have set forth that will surprise and delight you if you will allow it? And do you understand that the way you allow it is by tending to this grid, which means meditate as often as you can. Once a day is enough. Go general as often as you can. Give people the benefit of the doubt. Look for reasons to feel good. Party, 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 party. Party. Go to the party. Create the party. Look for fun. Look for reasons to feel good. Look for reasons to feel good and find them. When you find them, focus upon them. When you focus upon them, stay focused upon them long enough that you can get a little momentum going. And trust that law of attraction will always sort it out just right. You have so much non-physical awareness of you that often you are not aware of. And it's simply because you're not in the vibrational frequency, so you can't let it be as obvious as we all think it is. If you will try a little harder to feel for that non-physical energy that's there, helping you with the timing of your words, coaching you with the specifics of the words that you offer, you're going to discover that you can live in this magical world where, like the little kid that you once were, things can just keep turning out for you and turning out for you and turning out for you and turning out for you. Life is supposed to be good for you. It's supposed to be good for you, for all of you. And if it isn't, there's just a little vibrational tweaking that is required, far less than any of you believe when you are in that place of not being pleased. We have enjoyed this interaction immensely. There is great love here for you. And as always, we remain in the vortex.